Hey, and welcome back to the Credit K YouTube channel. You know what I talk about: business credit, personal credit, finance, crypto, anything money related to help you level up in life. We about that. And today I'm here with a business credit product to help you start building banking relationships with Synchrony Bank. It's a great business credit product for you guys who are wholesalers of any item. If you are a boutique owner, especially women who start clothing businesses, who want to start boutiques, who want to start online boutiques, physical boutiques. If you want to talk about none other than J.C. Penney's commercial charge card. Now, JCPenney's, as many of you know, partners with Sephora, which is a popular makeup brand company. So if you're a makeup artist or something who sells beauty products, it's a great thing for you. Now, the commercial charge card is a net 30 product, which means you have to pay everything back in 30 days. Now, they're backed by Synchrony Bank, which is one of the number one lenders for net 30 and some of the business credit products like Lowe's. They also partner with Amazon Net 55. I still think they're in charge of Sam's Club card as well. So it's a great partner you want to get synced up with. Now, the JCPenney's commercial card does not report to any business credit bureaus that I know of. I had my card for almost about since 2019, and I haven't seen it, report to any of my bureaus. But it does help me build a relationship with Synchrony, and I was able to get approved for Amazon and some other accounts very easily after I started building a relationship with them. So here how the physical card looks. Now we're going to go into the website. I want to show you how the paper application looks and how the online application looks and things you need to put in. I'm give you the sauce. Make sure I gave you guys the sauce. Had a subscriber, kind of mention I don't give the sauce on how to get approved for these things. All these things are pretty much self-explanatory. When you start building business credit, you want to have your business bank account established. You want to have some beginning trade lines established. Even though this is a tier 1 trade line, you want to still have something reporting your U lines, your Quills, your Grangers, your Summa office supplies, something started reporting on your balance before you apply for these. And then if you always get denied, always follow up, do a reconsideration of the product. Many times they try to call you or send you an email or a mail within a certain period of time, you didn't respond, so they thought maybe fraud. So always call and do a reconsideration with any business credit application you apply for, whether it's a credit card, whether it's a loan, whether it's one of these net 30s, anything you apply for where you ask for money, you get denied, or you don't get a decision within the first 3 or 4 days, always call and ask, what's going on? Hey, I really want the product. Is there anything we can do? Maybe lower the limit I'm asking for, or send in some extra verification items. So always don't give up. Just don't go off of you got this unapproved or you got denied. Just quit there. Always follow up. Try your best to get into these business credit products because you're gonna need them to build your business. So let's go ahead and dive into the website, and we're gonna check it out from there. All right, so here we are. Here is the actual paper application you can print out. Go online. We'll leave a link to this application in the description below for the commercial charge card and net 30. No interest charges dedicated for customer service. JCPenney commercial. So on the paper application, you see some of the things that they're looking for. All the users is going to use it. Estimated annual purchases, number of cards requested, some of the banks. You don't have to fill out this part, but if you, like I said, you definitely want to have a business bank account before you start applying for these. All the beneficial owners, most of you guys are sole proprietors or single member LLC, so you're just going to put your information in. just as it is, sign, date it, and then fax it off or drop it off to a JCPenney store. Here's the email, fax number, and all the contact at Synchrony Bank who you send it to right there. But let's get into the online application. What I did, and I was approved. Next day, I got an email with my credit limit and everything. The next day via email. Sometimes they just mail you your card. You might not even hear nothing back from them. You just get a card in the mail with a credit limit. So be prepared for that too. That's how Synchrony Bank works sometimes. But if you don't hear anything back either via email or phone call after 2 business days, always call Synchrony Bank. Make sure they got the proper address, proper phone numbers, everything for you guys. So here they want to know about your business. Like I said, you put your legal business name, business address, phone number. Make sure you have a phone number that's on that you can get a hold to. When I started building business credit, I was using Google Voice numbers. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure that you answer it. Your business email address. You can start off with a Gmail account, but eventually you want to get into a professional looking email. You can go to Google Domains, Yahoo, GoDaddy, get a domain set up. You don't have your website all the way finished, but just to get the domain set up, get the proper email address, some with your name at your businessname.com. Keep it very simple, professional. When you come to revenue, now here's the sauce, guys. Sauce time. When you go to revenue, you want to have a revenue that's over the monthly balance. So say you're going to spend about $3,000 a month. So of course your revenue is going to be something over $3,000 a month. So that comes in about 60 grand a year. I always tell people to do about 98,000, close to 100,000. When revenue gets above 100,000 for these net 30s, then they kind of want to get verified information, want to see some tax returns. These companies usually don't, but for the bigger ones, they do. I always put, around 120, 130 for mine. And then for monthly spend, do about $3,000 to $4,000 monthly spend. They approved me for $3,000 using this method. And then you can kind of go up from there. Different companies approve you for different things. Like vendors like Caterpillar, Home Depot, stuff you're going to spend more money at. Of course, they're going to give you a larger limit. But JCPenney, you're buying clothes, buying, household electronics, household items. You're not really spending thousands of dollars a monthly on these things often. So they kind of lower your limits on there, but it's still good. And then you just kind of put what you are, LLC, sole proprietor, whatever here. Make sure you got your tax ID number, your EIN number. If you don't have that, go ahead and go to your irs.gov. You can get your EIN number same day. Your name, title. Now, are you willing to guarantee? I advise no one to guarantee for this card. You do not want a card credit pull just for this little JCPenney card. But if you have a strong credit profile and you don't have a lot of inquiries and you really want this card, go ahead. Don't let me persuade you not to personally guarantee anything. But this is not financial advice. It's for entertainment and informational purposes. Just telling you what I would do. I wouldn't personally guarantee this net 30 card or any business credit product for that. Meaning, like I said, monthly spend, you want to do something in between 35 and 4,000. Anything over, you kind of got to play with the numbers. If you say you're going to spend $10,000 a month, but your business only making, $100,000 a year, you're going in the red, and they're gonna probably deny you. Okay, so you got to make the numbers line up right. You can play with the numbers. I'm not gonna tell you guys what exactly to put because I'm gonna have how many subscribers I got, over 1,000 subscribers going on and putting the same numbers, and that's gonna bring a red flag and get you guys' account shut down. But just play with the numbers. Like I said, anything over 3,500, in between 35 and 5,000. Definitely keep it below 7,000 monthly spend. And then your, business revenue needs to be solidly over six figures, but below 150,000. Then you put your agreements in, and boom, that's it. They'll say, we're going to get back to you. I haven't seen anybody get an instant approval with Synchrony, unless you're kind of already in Synchrony system, and they may give you an instant approval, or send you an email within 24 hours. Usually it takes 24 to 48 hours to get a reply, and that's business days. So if you guys are applying over the weekend, just kind of be patient with that. But remember, if you don't hear anything back within 2 business days, always call Synchrony. They will give you a phone number. And if you do get denied, they always send denial letters. So wait for that denial letter, see what it is, and then call for reconsideration, or wait 3 months, see what they said, reason for denial, work on those issues, and then get approved. All right. So like I was saying, this company does not report to any credit business bureaus. Business credit bureaus at the time of this recording that I know of. But like I said, I had this call for over 3-4 years now, and it's a great relationship builder with Synchrony. So it is a great to have tool. Like I said, you don't have to put any more money forward to it. You don't have to buy anything to get the line of credit. Just go ahead and apply. Make sure you have all your ducks lined up with your business. Make sure you're registered with the state. Make sure you have your business bank account. Make sure you have your Dun and Bradstreet already set up and everything of that nature. And you'll be fine, guys. All right. So, I also want to invite you guys to my business credit group, business credit Facebook group. If you want additional information about how to build business credit, about finding grants for your business, about getting funding for your business, we have a link for that down below. So go ahead and click that link if you're on Facebook, and I'll go ahead and add you on in. And if you want to hit me up on Instagram or Twitter at Credit K, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm always answering questions. You got a question, a particular question, I'm not going to answer how you build business credit. I'm not going to just give you all the information, just how to build business credit. I do have a mentorship course where I charge people for the full information, but I also have a $5 ebook course where it kind of goes through the beginning stages of building business credit. And I have countless YouTube videos on this channel about business credit. So I'm not going to just spill everything, but if you have a specific question, I'm always willing to answer those type questions. I'm no longer doing free consultations, so all my consultation will be paid for. So if you are interested in joining the mentorship or joining the Done For You credit, where I do all the legwork for you, and all you need to do is just pay off the invoices, and I keep track of everything and build your business credit for you, then hit me up, and I'll send you the link for my Done For You and my business credit mentorship. Or you just get the $5 ebook, link down in the description below. All right. So if you stayed around this long, leave a comment down below. Say, hey, done. I watched the whole video, and I might send you something special to your inbox. Or just hit me up and say, hey, hit me up on Instagram. Say, hey, man, I found you on YouTube, and I may just send you my ebook for free as well. All right. Later on.